Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin price at a crossroad as upside hangs in the balance on the back of the Fed Powell speech. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Having a look at Dogecoin for today, as mentioned, big key events already yesterday. We had, although minor, 1% uptick on the back of US inflation numbers that were coming below even the lowest estimation of the surveys, and that triggered a bull run overall, with equities shooting higher, dollar fading, US dollar for that matter fading, and that triggered overall some good responses. Same for cryptocurrencies, but as you can see, unfortunately, Dogecoin was not able to jump above this 55-day moving average, which is quite key, as you can see from in the past. And the red descending trend line loco is trading aside of that. What would be nice to see, but it will be difficult technically, that is if we can see a bounce off this red descending trend line and then further upwards towards 11 or 12 cents if possible. So that would roughly 34% of gains by the end of New Year. Possibly, but that will all depend on the Fed Powell speech going forward. With, of course, a lot of elements. You got the dot plot in there. You got some messages on quantitative tightening, the runoff of the balance sheet. Is this inflation remain to be sticky, or was this event just a one-off purely because of energy? All things will remain to seen on what Powell says, but let's presume some confirmation that inflation is abating, and that should spiral Dogecoin higher. On the other hand, if the Fed signals that no, we will keep hiking at 75s or 50s and 50 basis points per time, and we need to continue hiking roughly by the midst of 2023, that will be very difficult for markets to digest, as the market currently is thinking of maybe 2-3 more hikes and then done and quickly starts cutting. So if that's not being communicated by the Fed, then expect some downturn to 0.085 roughly on the initial reaction, and then possibly by the end of this week or next week, full sell-off towards 0.07. So 7 cents could be on the docket if the Fed message is becoming cold shower. So two-way street, 21 to 25, and it will be key to see later this afternoon what the Fed will bring. And that's it for Dogecoin for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.